Hi everyone, I'm back with a new topic that is Anypoint platform. Now, let us know what is an Anypoint platform. An Anypoint platform is one of the main important aspect of MuleSoft. Let us know what is Anypoint platform. An Anypoint platform is a user-friendly IDE. We know that IDE stands for Integration Development Environment. It is used for designing and testing Mule applications. It is an Eclipse based IDE. Here we can say that if we have worked with Java, then you may be aware of what is an Eclipse and how we will handle those all operations in Eclipse IDE. And Anypoint platform is mainly used for easily drag and drop actions. Uh, we can easily drag and drop connectors from the mule palette. Therefore, we can say that, in other words, an Anypoint Studio is an Eclipse based IDE for development of Flow. Here are the main components of an Anypoint platform. In the figure, we can see that the Anypoint Design Center, Anypoint Exchange, Management Center, Runtime, hybrid cloud, runtime services, anypoint connectors, etc. Now, let us discuss detail about the components of anypoint platform. First, coming to the design center. In design center, it is all about designing the API, that is the RAML. Here, we'll discuss mainly about the RAML. It is a RESTful API modeling language. It supports 0.8 and 1 version, that is RAML. RAML supports 0.1 and 1 version. Now, discussing about designing of RAML, it consists of mainly 5 parts like a resource, method, request, response, and status codes. Coming to the resource, it must be unique and it should be easy to identify. Methods are get, put, post, delete. Request will be in the form of a body, query params, and URI parameters, and even headers. Response will be in the form of as a response body or else a response type. Coming to the status codes, we already discussed in the previous video about the status codes in detail. Here we mainly get the status codes in the form of 200, 400, 500. Now, the main we should remember is no two resources should have same name and method. Coming to the Anypoint Exchange. Anypoint Exchange, it is all about publishing and sharing, searching the API of the developed applications. API Manager. API Manager helps in managing APIs by invoking policies. Runtime Manager. Runtime Manager is the where our applications are deployed. Access Management. It configures access and permission within organization. Anypoint Monitoring Visualizer. It provides monitoring and real-time graphical representation of an API. Secret Manager. It is a place to store and control access to private keys, passwords, certificates, etc. Now, let us do some practical on what is uh, Anypoint platform. Let us go. First, you need to log in into training.mulesoft.com. This is the portal where you can see the MuleSoft. In this, We need to go to the courses and get started with Anypoint platform development fundamentals. It is a free learning portal. You can learn for free. Now first you need to register yourself and get started with the training. I have already registered and I will show the process. After registering into MuleSoft, you will get into this portal like Launch and Resources tab. Here you can see all the applications you need to go through and learn. Now coming to the Design Center. Let us log into Design Center. Here first we need to, if you don't have an account, create an account, click on sign up and create. I have already my account and I'm logging in. Now this is the portal of Anypoint platform. Here you can see all the components which I explained in the before slide. Design Center, Exchange, API Manager, Runtime Manager, Visualizer, Monitoring, Secret Manager. Now I want to show an example. I have already created. Let's go. Now this is our ramen structure. I have said about the ramen structure, right? Here search is our what resource name, and get is a method. We have already know that get, post, put. Query param is the input parameter where we need to give in the URL after the URL. And this is for a query parameter we need to have the name and value. Here I'm using a name called keyword and it should be of type string. The minimum length of your keyword should be of 3 and max should not exceed 10. And the responses should be in the form of like 200. We know, right? 200 is for success. And the body section, then we need to select application or JSON. Now coming to this is an example like we need to create. In that we are telling that only a message, simple message, that is result is successful. Now click on the get method and start try it. Here I have said that we need to give the value. I am giving the value like mule. Now it is of character 4 letters and it does not exceed more than 10 letters. So the output should be 200. Let's see. See, here is our output 200. Let us check different possibilities also. If we give only 2 letters, then what happened? We'll check. We'll get a 400 bad request. The details also are given. See here that the error value indicating the parameters, that is expected type of minimum length is 3, but its actual length is 2. For example, one more mule or something. Again, we need to send, and because we have given the length 10, it is not taking more than 10 values. So again, its result is successful. This is a small example of a ramel. And here we need to publish. Publish is used to deploy our project in the runtime manager. Thank you, friends. Let's see in further videos.